Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your M&A practice with Jones Day, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale your M&A practice with Jones Day, begin by establishing a clear vision for your growth. Identify your target market and the specific sectors where you want to expand your influence. Research current trends and demands within those sectors to align your services accordingly. Leverage Jones Day's global reach to access new networks and facilitate introductions to potential clients. Engage in strategic marketing initiatives that highlight your expertise in M&A. Develop case studies showcasing your successful transactions to demonstrate your capabilities. Attend industry conferences and seminars to network with key stakeholders in your target sectors. Utilize social media platforms to share insights and thought leadership content relevant to M&A. Collaborate with Jones Day's international offices to tap into local market knowledge and client bases. Implement a data-driven approach to track your growth and identify areas for improvement. Invest in professional development for your team to stay ahead of industry changes and enhance skill sets. Solicit feedback from clients to refine your services and address any pain points they encounter. Establish strategic partnerships with financial advisors, accountants, and other professionals in the M&A ecosystem. Create a robust pipeline of potential deals through proactive outreach and relationship building efforts. Regularly evaluate your practice's performance against set goals and objectives to gauge progress. Adopt technology solutions that streamline processes and improve client engagement. Building a strong reputation through consistent delivery of quality services will accelerate your growth. With dedication and strategic planning, you can significantly scale your M&A practice with Jones Day's support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.